NVIDIA App on PC. 1. Restart NVIDIA App and PC. Close NVIDIA App completely. Restart your computer normally. Open NVIDIA App again and check the game list. 2. Update NVIDIA App. Open NVIDIA App settings. Download and install the latest version. Restart the application after updating. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install the newest NVIDIA Game Ready driver. Restart your PC after installation. Relaunch NVIDIA App afterward. 4. Scan for games manually. Open NVIDIA App settings. Use the Scan Now option. Let the app search all installed games again. 5. Add the game folder manually. Open NVIDIA App, Settings, add the Subnautica 2 installation directory. Run another game scan afterward. 6. Verify game installation. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Verify integrity of game files. Make sure the game is installed correctly. 7. Launch the game. Once, start Subnautica 2 manually from Steam Epic. Let the game reach the main menu. Close the game and check NVIDIA App again. 8. Reinstall NVIDIA App. Uninstall NVIDIA App completely. Download the latest version from NVIDIA. Install it again and rescan for games. 9. Check antivirus and firewall. Allow NVIDIA App through Windows Firewall. Add exclusions for Subnautica 2 folders. Disable antivirus temporarily for testing. 10. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall Subnautica 2 completely. Remove leftover files manually. Reinstall the game and rescan in NVIDIA App.